Welcome to Virtual Gardening 101. This is a place where we dig into the digital soil and reap real results. As we come to the close of 2025, I just thought it would be, important for me to step from behind the scene and, come forward and let you know or see what I look like in person. It has been over a year since I started the channel, and my subscribers have not gotten the opportunity to see the person that is always talking. I've always been very shy around the camera, but I just decided I would, brave up and come forward so that you can see my face. Want to say thank you so much for those who have been with the channel since I started last year, and for those of you who have recently subscribed, thank you so much. And if you have ever stopped to watch my content at any point in time, I want to say thank you so much as well. Want to wish you all the best as we look forward to 2026. This year has not been an easy year for a lot of people, especially my Jamaican family and friends who have been impacted by Hurricane Melissa, and some were also affected by Hurricane Beryl not last year, but in 2023. Time is flying so fast. Sometimes it's so hard to, keep track of the events that have, come up. Yes, as we come to the close of the year, it's also important that we pause and, we reflect. And it doesn't matter what the challenges are, it's always very important to give thanks. I've had so much challenge this year, and it's only by the grace of God that I am standing today. And so, I'm grateful to God for all that He has done and what He continues to do in my life. And it's my desire that, my subscribers too pause and, reflect and give thanks. And if you have not yet, surrendered your life to God, I'd encourage you, to give some thought to it. I know this is not a religious channel, but as a child of God, it would be remiss of me not to want others to, be in the right, or to be on the right path. And the only way we can be on the right path, is to have a relationship with the Lord. God has been good in spite of all that has happened. And so, as we come to the end of the year, and we look forward to starting a new year, it's always good to refocus and see how, best we can make changes to our life. Out with the old and in with the new. And so I just want to encourage each and every one to do the right thing, and that is to have a relationship with God. Maintain that relationship whether the tides go up or the tides go down. Because after all, the things that we are pursuing in this life, we cannot take them with us when we die. It's only the relationship that we have with God that will stand. There's a saying that says the only thing that lasts is a good salvation. And so I encourage you to give some thought to that. As for the direction of the channel, I don't know where I am going to go as I go into the new year. I'm in a new space, and I don't have access to what I would have if I was at home. And so even if I had wanted to do content that is more interactive, it's going to be very difficult for me to do it in this space. But I am hoping and trusting that the Lord is going to work on some thought that I have, and with your support, I know that I'll make it. So I look forward to your feedback in the comment section as to what I can do to make the content interesting and more I would say palatable, because sometimes people don't just want to sit and listen to a lecture, but if you're more interactive, then people will want to listen, or because they can see what you're doing. And so it is my desire to continue with the channel, though difficult it is. Content creation is not easy, but I started and I want to continue. I'm not the person that you start something and quit. Winners never quit and quitters never win. So that is one of the mantra that I have taken on when I started the channel. And so I look forward to what the Lord will do through me, through this medium. And so I just encourage you to stay with the channel. Whenever you watch, interact by leaving your comments, giving me the content a thumbs up, and sharing the content, because there are persons out there who I may not be able to reach, but you can assist me in reaching them, right? And that will help the algorithm. If you have not yet subscribed and you're seeing this for the first time, you can always go back and check out what I've already uploaded and look forward to what is to come. It's a new chapter that will be open. I don't know what I will be doing, as I said, but with your support, the channel will grow. So thank you so much for all that you have done over the past year, and as we go into the next year, I look forward to greater things.